In this video, we'll talk about some of our favorite Instagram story techniques to take advantage of all you can do with Instagram's platform. Let's get into it. Oh, and thanks to Skillshare for sponsoring this video.
To add GIFs that aren't available natively inside Instagram, simply save whatever GIF you'd like to use to your camera roll, copy it from your camera roll, and then inside Instagram, tap to add text and then press again and select Paste. Now you can resize and place the GIF wherever you'd like. For example, we made a couple of GIFs that you can't get in the app, but you can download for free in the link in our description and use in your stories.
If you're tired of using the stock fonts in Instagram stories, you can mix it up by downloading an app or two as a workaround.
Who cares about letters? The only good font is the Sopranos one, where the R is a pistol.
The first way is to use an app called Over. With this, you can airdrop a font to your phone, install it to Over, and then use it inside that app to create a new story post.
Another method that lets you stay within Instagram is an app called Fonts.
Just download it and follow the installation instructions to add it as a keyboard. Then, inside of Instagram, you can click the globe icon to switch it to that keyboard to select the font from above. This will give you a handful of new fonts to play with.
If you don't have the swipe up link available on your Instagram profile, but still want to be able to direct your followers to an external link, you can use this workaround with IGTV. Now, we heard about this tip from a YouTuber named Vanessa Lau. We'll link to her channel below. Basically, you need a 15-second or longer video on IGTV that tells people to click in the top left corner to go to your link. For the title, say something like, "Click here to check it out." And for the description, type in your URL. You'll then post this to your IGTV channel. Now create an Instagram story telling your viewers to swipe up. Then click the add link icon, choose IGTV video. Select the IGTV video you just made and go ahead and post the story. Now you won't be able to see it from your own account, but if you watch it from another account, you'll see the swipe up option from your Instagram story. This will take you to the related IGTV post, and tapping in the top left will direct people to your link.
Let's say you want to promote your latest YouTube video. We have a fun way to do it.
Okay, now see, I think that Comic Sans always screams fun.
Save a 15-second or less video clip to your phone. Go into Stories and pull up the video clip. Then pinch in and rotate the clip to resize it and orient it properly. Now you can make a fun collage for it by adding a photo that relates to the video. Just copy the photo from your camera roll and paste it in just like we did with the GIFs. Feel free to add text, stickers, GIFs, whatever.
Any graphics with a transparent background work really well for this, and we've actually made a few that you can download below. If you do social media for a company or run your own business and want to keep a consistent look across your Instagram stories, try creating your own backgrounds for your stories. You can use your brand's font and create templates using the app Over. Or you could use something like Adobe Spark as well. Or if you just want to use some of ours, we made a handful that you can download below. Then just copy and paste any photos into it.
Easy peasy, right?
Hey man, you look a little different than last time.
It might be because I developed so much as a person, dog, since joining Skillshare.
Oh no, here we go again with this.
Listen, Guy, have I told you that Skillshare is an online learning community for creators?
What are you creating besides messes in house while you get trained?
Have I told you that over 7 million creators learn from over 25,000 classes covering design, photography, filmmaking, business, and so much more?
Yes, this sounds familiar.
Yeah, they even have classes on Instagram stories in case you think Mango Street didn't give you enough juicy hacks.
Please don't call them hacks. I don't think you know what that means.
What I do know is the first 500 subscribers who click the link in the description will get their first 2 months for absolutely free. And an annual subscription is less than $10 a month.
Well, that is a pretty good deal. I guess I'll see you on there.
We hope these tips were helpful, and if you want some more, we found a great video from Katie Steckley on Instagram Story Hacks, and the link to that video is in the description.
Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out. And we'll see you next month.